Hello, and welcome to another video where we will show you how to earn $5,000+ easily just by touching your phone screen. And as always, I will show you the step-by-step process of how to do it. The first step in the process is to go to enrollapp.com. Enrollapp is a website that allows users to make money online by testing websites. It helps companies and other website owners make decisions about their business, whether through simple feedback on user interfaces, clarifying content, designs, and functionality, or just checking user interaction. Hence, their slogan, "Make the web a better place." To join Enrollapp, you must be at least 18 and have a PayPal account. You can sign up on their website or through their mobile app. Once you're signed up, you can see a list of available tests. The tests are usually short and simple. Enrollapp is a legitimate website that does pay its users. It requires no special skills, is easy to sign up, payments and withdrawals are easy as it is via PayPal, and the minimum cash out is just $1. When you visit Enrollapp's website, you can sign up for free, and it's a fantastic opportunity to earn money online. How, you ask? Well, it's quite simple. You'll answer some really easy poll questions about various products. Plus, you get to share your thoughts on products that haven't even hit the market yet. One of the best things about this website is that you can take these tests from anywhere. Whether on a break at work, soaking up the sun in the park, or just relaxing at home, you can participate and make some extra money. As of now, there have been thousands of tests completed on this website, and thousands of people are earning money daily. The best part is they welcome folks from all around the world. So, no matter where you're from, you can join in. And in a moment, I'll explain how you can actually get paid just by browsing a website or clicking a button. It's that simple. You can take as many polls as you want using any device you prefer, and the best part is that you'll earn cash rewards that are deposited right into your PayPal account. So don't miss out on this opportunity to make some extra cash. Step 2 involves taking a sample test to familiarize yourself with the process before enrolling on the website. It's a short and simple test, and here's how you can go about it. Click on the Check Out a Sample Test button to begin. Once you're on the test page, click on Begin this question. You'll be given options to select places that inspire you for an upcoming travel trip. For instance, you could choose Paris. Scroll down and click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to choose at least 3 answers that best describe how you feel about the web page you're presented with. Then, click Continue at the bottom of the page. Optionally, you can provide feedback on why you felt that way about the web page, or if you prefer, you can skip this step by clicking Continue. Next, they'll ask you for basic information about yourself, such as gender, age, educational level, and income. Once you've filled in your details, click on Complete Test. That's pretty much what you'll be doing on this website. The great thing is that you don't need any special expertise. Enrollapp primarily collects consumer survey answers to better understand demographics and consumer behaviors. This information helps them design user-friendly interfaces and showcase products that will be genuinely useful to users. It's a straightforward process that can earn you some extra cash. Step number 3 is to start earning money. You'll need to sign up for Enrollapp. It's easy to do. Click the Register button or enter your information on the homepage. Provide your email address, create a password, confirm your password, and complete the CAPTCHA. Congratulations! You're now on your way to earning your first $5. Once logged into your account, they'll present you with a new task. Completing one task leads to the next one. You can skip a task or accept it by clicking the green button. To start the task, click Let's Do This. After that, you must submit your PayPal account email for future payments. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry. You can sign up for one for free, which only takes a few minutes. After filling in your PayPal details, click Continue. They'll then ask you about the languages you fluently speak, so select the ones you're proficient in and continue. Next, provide your phone number, country, and city where you live. They'll also ask about your availability for taking tests. It's good to say yes to always receive available tasks. Then click Continue to proceed. You'll be asked about your gender and date of birth, current job, and top 3 job skills from the options given. Then you'll need to share how you make a living, your hobbies, and your computer proficiency. Selecting Advanced to access more opportunities is also a good idea. Also mention that you spend 6 or more hours online daily. Lastly, select all 3 devices and click Finish Registration. Now all you have to do is wait for your application to be approved. Once approved, your Enroll app dashboard will show your achievements, financials, missions, badges, and points. You're all set to start earning. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Making money here is pretty straightforward. You'll notice a cow icon, and as you complete more polls each day, it'll gradually move closer to the moon. Here's what you need to do. Answer a poll by selecting your choice from the options provided. Hit Submit. You'll instantly see the poll results, showing what other users on the platform have chosen. Click Continue to move on to the next question. It's a good idea to answer all the poll questions because this increases your overall earnings and even earns you some bonus money. The more poll questions you answer, the better the website can match you with projects that align with your demographics, interests, and hobbies. This means you'll receive more tasks and earn more. If you ever come across a question you don't feel like answering, no worries. You can simply skip it using the skip button in the upper right corner of the question. Now, when you click on the Achievements tab, you can track your progress. You'll see the total number of badges you've earned and your accumulated points. If you're just starting with a new account, here's what you need to do. Continue taking tests and answering poll questions. Stay active on the website every day. For the first 30 days, spend at least about 5 minutes each day answering these poll questions. By doing this, you'll earn more badges. The more badges you have, the more points and bonus money you'll earn on this website. It's a gradual process that can add up nicely over time. Step number 5 is all about maximizing your opportunities. Here's what you can do. Go to the screen's top right corner and click Profile Settings. Now, select Test Preferences. And don't worry, all your responses to these questions will be kept private. Scroll down a bit, and you'll need to specify the device you're using to complete the tests. Here's an extra tip. Choose all the options available because the more devices you indicate, the more polls you'll be awarded. For testing availability, select the option to take the test as soon as it becomes available. This way, you'll be among the first to know when tests are up for grabs. This significantly increases your chances of earning more money. To ensure you don't miss out on any opportunities, enable email notifications from the website and verify your mobile number. Click on Save, and you're all set to continue answering more poll questions and increasing your earnings. In the digital era we find ourselves in today, new and innovative ways to make money online have emerged, presenting people with exciting opportunities to earn extra income without leaving the security of their regular jobs. These online ventures have become the go-to side hustle for individuals seeking to supplement their income and improve their financial well-being. One of the remarkable aspects of these online income streams is the flexibility they offer. You can engage in these money-making endeavors at your convenience. This freedom to choose when and where to work makes it a truly viable work-from-home option. Websites like EnrollApp.com exemplify this trend, providing a user-friendly platform to increase your earnings effortlessly. You can gradually accumulate extra income over time by participating in tasks such as answering simple poll questions and completing short assignments. The beauty of it is that you don't need specialized skills or expertise to get started, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. So, if you're looking to boost your income and explore new opportunities, consider these online ventures as a viable option to work from home while earning extra money on the side. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.